as you can see, we've got a couple of Everyplate boxes, and I just decided to try it out. Look at this deal on Facebook. That was $1.49 per serving, and it's as cheap as cheap microwavable meals at Walmart. So I figured, what the heck, let's go ahead and have a look at it and see if it's any good. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so let me get one of these boxes out of the way, and we'll start opening this one up. Let's see what we got. Nice reflective lining to help keep it cool. It looks like we've got some pamphlets about what's in there. Oh, and looks like preparation cards. That's pretty nice.
Yes.
Let's see. So, honey chipotle pork chops, chicken sausage and white bean soup, cheesy beef patty melts. That must be what is in box one, so they must be splitting these up between the two boxes because there's supposed to be 6 altogether. So yeah, let me go ahead and set this off to the side. Let's look down and see what we've got in here. So it looks nice. Looks like scallions. What have we got over there? It looks like maybe some oregano spice or something. I don't see. Oh, there it is. That would be, yeah, oregano. We got some, what kind of bread is that? Sour panini slices. And what are those?
Ciabatta.
Ciabatta buns, it looks like.
Yes.
Handcrafted artisanal hydrated bread. That's a mouthful. Some tomato paste, I'm guessing. And what is this? Colorvata Pinelli beans. And
Cheddar cheese.
Shredded cheddar cheese. What are these?
Honey.
Oh, honey. And packages. Cool deal.
Garlic powder.
Package of garlic powder. Some actual garlic, it looks like.
Yes.
So there's probably going to be some chopping up of the garlic.
Philadelphia cream cheese.
Cool deal. Oh, those are some big old carrots.
Carrots. There's another carrot.
Looks like Brussels sprouts.
And another garlic powder.
Okay. Another package of Brussels sprouts.
Another pack of garlic powder. Another pack of garlic powder.
That's 1, 2, 3.
4.
Oh yeah, 4. I missed that last one.
And then
A couple more packs of honey, or is that
chicken
something?
stock.
Chicken stock. Okay, so a couple more. Oh, we got a couple packs of chicken stock. Another carrot. A couple of onions. If you want to grab the far side of that. Looks like we've got a box of potatoes. They look to be in pretty good condition. And, oh, hang on. Let's show that. It's a great big ice pack. Like, seriously big. It's probably about a foot lengthwise and maybe about 8 to 10 inches sideways.
Another sour panini. Hair fry seasoning blend.
So there's the fry seasoning blend. A couple packets of that.
Sweet Italian chicken sausage mix.
Oh, sounds pretty good. Oh, that's kind of wet. It feels like something may be leaking. But it could possibly be condensation from this.
It's condensation from this.
Yeah, I can feel it on the side of this. All right, let me get this out of the way. here. Okay, what do you got?
Ground beef.
Ground beef. It's 85% lean.
And boneless pork chops.
All right. Boneless pork chops.
And we've got
Another cream cheese.
Philadelphia cream cheese.
Awesome.
Some chipotle powder.
Ooh, chipotle powder.
And then some more chicken.
And more chicken stock. And then it looks like another ice pack at the very bottom.
Yes.
Cool deal.
So
All right, so I'm gonna put this ice pack back in here, and we're gonna go ahead and transfer all of this stuff over to the refrigerator, and then we'll be back to open the other box. Box 2. Let's see what we got in this one. And it appears, yep, that is the case. So we've got the same thing, it looks like, in the previous box. The cards again, the discount. And we've got this time chicken sausage and roasted tomato, barbecue pork sloppy joes, and chicken and green bell pepper fajitas. So rather interesting combination, it looks like. Let's scoot this back so we have a bit of room. All right. Looks like we have some buns.
Potato buns.
Potato buns. Nice. Linguine noodles. Very nice.
There's the sour cream.
Got some packets of sour cream. 3 of them so far. And what do we got here? Tomato paste. We've got a Philadelphia cream cheese.
Oh yeah, it's not the same thing. This is sour cream.
We've got another, so we've got 4 sour creams. I've got a packet of shredded Parmesan. What do we got here? Another packet of shredded Parmesan. Looks like it's just different color printing, red and black. Same thing though.
Barbecue
What
sauce.
have you got? Barbecue sauce? Oh, that's really hard to read. You may not be able to see that. I'm going to hold that up to the other camera just in case the other camera can pick it up. So anyway, very hard to see on the background. Anyway, whatever. Whole bunch of packets of that stuff. I'm not even going to bother counting them. Another packet of Philadelphia cream cheese. Some fajita things.
Yes.
Awesome. And
Southwest spice.
packet of Southwest spice.
There's more than one.
Okay. Cool deal. Couple of those. And what do we
Fry
got here?
seasoning blend.
Fry seasoning blend.
Yes.
Couple packets of that. Another packet of tomato paste. Let's go ahead and pick up this. And it looks like we've got a couple bell peppers, a green pepper, another garlic clove, I think, a couple garlic cloves, some potatoes,
Onions.
some Roma tomatoes,
Yes.
not quite fully ripened, but this should still be good anyway. Couple of onions. What are these?
Lime.
Lime. Okay, cool.
And yellow
Another onion.
yellow onions and red onions.
Cool deal. All right. Big ol' ice pack.
Sweet Italian chicken sausage mix.
Okay, so 2 packets of the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix.
Chicken breast strips, 2 packages.
Couple packs of the chicken breast strips.
And a package of ground pork.
Pack of the ground pork. Coolio. Just the one?
Yes.
Okay. And it looks like that's everything. All right, so we're gonna go and get all of this packed away and then we'll be back. Got everything put into the refrigerator. So what we've done is we've got these boxes turned sideways on one of the shelves. So both of those boxes, and it's just split up between the 2 different boxes. We kept them each separated. And then down here at the bottom, what I've done is from one of the boxes, I got all the stuff put in here with the recipe cards. And then in the other tray, same thing, the other recipe cards, so that way it keeps everything conveniently separated and easy to deal with. Awesome.